Hello. I'm here for the bill thing.
And if you're a New England Republican and believe in fiscal responsibility in government and not saddling our children with children and grandchildren
I'm here to see Bill.
with
Yeah,
debt
okay. Not with this stuff.
amounting to over $10 million.
What's going on?
You're not going to be here with this stuff.
Oh, what stuff do you mean?
Well, it looks like you've got a... This isn't a protest.
I'm
so
not protesting anything. I'm here to support Bill.
5 minutes and 5 seconds and calling the police.
Okay, you can call the police. But
And
I was
also I
invited.
was a very strong dog here.
Just
so
invited for the event, right?
you're not invited. Goodbye.
Why am I not invited? Can you tell me why I'm not invited? Or who you are?
Hey, buddy. Here, I'm not so nice, buddy. Why don't you take a hike?
Oh, you know, you don't have to push me. You don't have to push me. Just, all you had to do was...
Get off the property, buddy. Get a book out.
What's the issue?
You're not invited.
But I was
property.
invited. Okay, I mean, that's fine if you want me to go. I mean, it would have been nice if you just told me why, since I was invited. Right? Okay. Decorum. Gotta maintain decorum. What you gonna do when your vote's a joke? Vote for Bill as a protest vote. And what you gonna say if he wins the day? Weld's in charge of the CIA.